Good evening, everyone. My name is Sonji Anderson, and I'm going to talk about Philip Markoff and also about Freud's theory of psychosocial development. Was Philip Markoff a madman? Why did he do what he did? Many people have a difficult time understanding why people do what they do. Philip Markoff came from a situation that does not seem to match the horrific crimes of a Craigslist killer. They say he was good looking. They say he was a model student. They say that he was a medical student and he came from a well-to-do family. Some people even say that if you're from a well-to-do family, you won't commit a crime. I'm not so sure about that one. But no one knows why. When we talk about Freud's theory of psychosocial development, it consists of the id, the ego, and the superego. The id is primitive, and it's comprised of instant gratification of basic needs and urges. The ego is the rational part of our personality, and the superego rules your moral compass. What is right? What is wrong? You may look like a normal, functioning person in society because you're hiding behind the superego. No one knew what was going on in the mind of Philip Markoff. No one knew what he was capable of. Even his girlfriend, his fiancée, was one of the many people who were, I would say, a victim of his personality, because she didn't know his dark side. She didn't know what he was capable of. She didn't know that he had morphed into the Craigslist killer. She didn't know what he was doing at any given time. The implications of Markoff's personality, they're unknown. It's possible that his debt may have thrown him over the edge. But perhaps he was already mentally ill for many years and nobody knew it. He seemed so, quote-unquote, normal. But it's possible that he could have suffered from low self-esteem. But we just don't know what events led to his actions. And no one knew what he was going through. No one knew what point he decided to become a criminal and live a double life. But his life ending gives us an indication that he may not have had high self-esteem. Some people refer to him as a broken personality. These are things that we'll never know. Was it debt? Was it repressed anxiety? Was there sexual tension? Was he hiding his sexuality? Predicting the behavior of another may be nearly impossible to do. And in the case of Philip Markoff, no one will ever know. Because Philip Markoff lived a secret life. Thank you for listening to my presentation.